I call it secret sauce. 25 years of collecting hands-on ideas for projects that your kids can lean into whenever you're studying anything. What you do is you pick a topic. It can be anything that you are interested in, your kids are interested in, planets, anything with nature, literature, doesn't matter, any topic. Then you go through the secret sauce cards and you pull out the ones that you think are appropriate for your child, like make an invention or create a menu. There are 40 different cards that show you different style projects that you can do with your kids. So you put 4 to 10 of the projects on the table, and then you tell your kids, we're going to be studying, fill in the blank. What kind of a project do you want to do that shows what you've learned by the end of the time that we've studied? Then they pick the project, secret sauce cards. From there, they go play, and you take your secret sauce planner and you map out how you're going to break down this learning activity, this learning project over the course of a week, 2 weeks, a month, a half a year. This is a way to captivate your child's interest, and at the end, they will produce something that they are so proud of, secret sauce. This is a one-time offer. This price will never be seen again. This product is not sold online anywhere. It's an exclusive for you for the next 15 minutes, or it's only included inside our Homeschooling Olympians membership. So grab your kit, and if you have any questions about any of the projects, you can reach me at abetterwaytohomeschool@gmail.com.